Are you dreaming of an unforgettable adventure in the vibrant streets of New York City, but worried about your wallet? Well, dream no more, for you don't need to be a millionaire to live your NYC adventure. In this video, we're unveiling your 7-day budget-friendly itinerary for the New York City. Imagine exploring iconic landmarks, indulging in delicious food, and soaking up the city's unique culture, all without emptying your bank account. From affordable accommodations to wallet-friendly dining options, we've got you covered, with practical tips and cost breakdowns that will make your NYC experience both memorable and budget-friendly. So, let's dive in and start planning your amazing week in the Big Apple. Day 1. Arrival and exploring Midtown. Welcome to the first day of your budget-friendly adventure in New York City. First things first. Grab a 7-day Metro card for unlimited subway rides. It's your golden ticket to the city for just $30. Then, head to your budget-friendly home base, whether it's your affordable hotel or hostel. We recommend the pod hotels for their stylish and wallet-friendly rooms. Drop off your bags, because it's time to explore. Start your adventure in Central Park, a peaceful oasis in the middle of the city. Wander through Sheep Meadow. Visit the Strawberry Fields Memorial for John Lennon. Spot iconic landmarks like the Bethesda Fountain and the Bow Bridge. Row a boat on the Central Park Lake for just $20 an hour. Split it with a friend, and you've got an Instagram-worthy adventure for $10. Or you can rent a bike and explore the park's winding paths. For lunch, grab a classic New York slice at Joe's Pizza. At just $3 per slice, you can't go wrong with their delicious foldable pizza. It's the perfect fuel for your afternoon adventures. In the afternoon, continue exploring Midtown by visiting St. Patrick's Cathedral, a stunning example of Gothic Revival architecture. Take a moment to admire the intricate details and peaceful atmosphere inside this iconic church. As the sun sets, head to the iconic Times Square, where the streets are always buzzing with energy and excitement. Take in the bright lights, giant billboards, and the electric atmosphere that makes this place so special. The best part? It's completely free to take it all in. Head to a local diner for a hearty dinner. You can expect to pay around $15 for a satisfying meal, complete with a taste of authentic New York City culture. Stay in Times Square until the lights reflect off the streets. It's a sight you'll never forget. Don't forget to snap a few photos as souvenirs. Day 2. Museums and culture without the price tag. Rise and shine, it's day 2 in the Big Apple. Bye. Today, we're diving into NYC's world-class culture. Grab a bagel and coffee for breakfast, around $5, and let's head to the Metropolitan Museum of Art, or as the locals call it, the Met. It is one of the largest and most comprehensive art museums in the world. With a pay-what-you-wish policy. You can give what you can and still explore ancient Egyptian tombs, Renaissance paintings, and more. Next up, the American Museum of Natural History. Get face-to-face with a T-Rex. Explore outer space and meet the 94-foot-long blue whales suspended from the ceiling. Here, too, you pay what you wish. A cultural treasure trove at any budget. For lunch, grab a deli sandwich at a local spot. You can find delicious options for around $10, perfect for refueling before your next museum visit. To wrap up your day, head to the Museum of Modern Art, MoMA, for their free Friday night entry. Admire works by Van Gogh, Warhol, and Picasso, all for the price of nothing. That's right, free entry to some of the greatest masterpieces in the world. After exploring the MoMA's vast collection, treat yourself to a classic New York dinner in Chinatown. You'll find amazing Chinese cuisine at affordable prices, with meals starting at around $15. Day 3, the hip vibes of Brooklyn. On day 3, it's time to head across the river and explore Brooklyn. Start your day in Dumbo, down under the Manhattan Bridge overpass. The artsy neighborhood with cobblestone streets and stunning views of the Manhattan Bridge. This area is a photographer's dream with street art, quirky shops, and waterfront parks. Grab a bite at Time Out Market, where you can taste delicious street food at affordable prices. Next, head to Williamsburg, Brooklyn's hipster heart. Browse thrift stores. Explore vintage markets. And enjoy affordable eats at Smorgasburg, an open-air food market with flavors from every corner of the globe. In the afternoon, take a subway ride down to Coney Island. Stroll along the boardwalk, grab a classic Nathan's hot dog, and dip your toes in the Atlantic Ocean. If you're feeling adventurous, ride the historic Cyclone roller coaster. For only $10, it's a thrill you won't want to miss. By the end of day 3, you'll have experienced the perfect blend of history, culture, and stunning views, all while staying within your budget. Get ready for more exciting adventures tomorrow. Day 4, NYC's iconic landmarks without spending a fortune. Rise and shine, it's day 4 in the Big Apple. Today is all about those must-see landmarks. Hop on the Staten Island ferry, it's completely free. It offers jaw-dropping views of the Statue of Liberty and the Manhattan skyline. You'll get the iconic Lady Liberty shot without spending a dime. For lunch, grab a quick bite from a food truck or deli. You can find delicious options for around $10, perfect for refueling before your museum visit. Next, head to Lower Manhattan. Stroll through the financial district, past the towering skyscrapers of Wall Street, and snap a selfie with the famous Charging Bull. Nearby, visit the solemn and moving 9/11 Memorial. The pools where the Twin Towers once stood will leave you speechless, and it's free to explore. Finish your day with a walk across the Brooklyn Bridge. As you cross, the Manhattan skyline opens up behind you, and the sun sets over the East River. Best of all, this iconic experience won't cost you a thing, For dinner, try one of the many food trucks or carts scattered throughout the city. You'll find a wide variety of cuisines, all at affordable prices. Expect to pay around $10 for a satisfying meal. Day 5, exploring hidden gems, local vibes, and shopping. Day 5 is all about discovering NYC's hidden gems. Join a free walking tour of Greenwich Village, where historic brownstones, jazz clubs, and secret gardens hide around every corner. Keep your eyes peeled for Washington Square Park's iconic arch, and grab a cheap slice of pizza at Joe's Pizza, a local legend for just $3. After your tour, hop over to Chelsea Market, a foodie haven where you can grab delicious, affordable eats. Once you've eaten your fill, walk the High Line, a park built on an old elevated train track. It offers incredible views of the city and the Hudson River. Up next, we head to Soho, a trendy district known for its high-end boutiques, art galleries, and charming cobblestone streets. Window shop to your heart's content, or treat yourself to a unique find at one of the many independent stores. If you're interested in seeing a Broadway show, head to the TKTS booth in Times Square for discounted tickets. You can find great deals on same-day performances, allowing you to experience the magic of Broadway without breaking the bank. For dinner, treat yourself to a casual meal at a local restaurant. You can find great options for around $20, allowing you to sample authentic New York City cuisine without overspending. Day 6, Uptown Adventures and Harlem's Heartbeat. On day 6, we're heading uptown to experience the rhythm of Harlem. Visit the legendary Apollo Theater, where some of the greatest performers in history took the stage. Then take a stroll down 125th Street, stopping by local shops and soaking in the culture. And for lunch, treat yourself to a soul food feast at Sylvia's, a Harlem institution. For just $10 or $15, you'll enjoy a meal that'll warm your heart and fill you up. After lunch, take a quiet walk through the beautiful campus of Columbia University. The architecture is stunning, and it's a peaceful break from the hustle and bustle of the city. As the sun sets on day 6, take a moment to reflect on all the amazing experiences you've had so far, and tomorrow we'll explore any last-minute sites and prepare for your departure. Day 7. New York's local flavor and farewell. Welcome to your final day in New York City. While it's bittersweet to say goodbye, there's still time for some last-minute adventures before you head home. Start your day with a delicious breakfast at a local cafe. Enjoy a classic New York bagel with cream cheese and a cup of coffee for around $5. This is the perfect way to fuel up for your day of exploration. Spend your final hours wandering through Chinatown and Little Italy. In Chinatown, you'll find some of the best dumplings in the city for just a few bucks. In Little Italy, sip an espresso and savor a cannoli, perfect for a budget-friendly sweet treat. End your week with one last magical moment, a sunset from the Brooklyn Heights Promenade. As the golden light reflects off the skyscrapers, you'll realize that in just 7 days, You've experienced the very best of New York City without emptying your wallet. As your day comes to an end, make your way back to your place to gather your belongings. So, depending on your flight time, you might want to squeeze in one last coffee or snack before heading to the airport. And there you have it, your 7-day budget-friendly itinerary for New York City. You've explored iconic landmarks, tasted delicious food, and soaked in the vibrant culture of the Big Apple, all while keeping your expenses in check. We hope this itinerary inspires you to embark on your own NYC adventure, filled with unforgettable memories and experiences. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, Savvy Travel with Abby, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our travel tips and guides. Mayo. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What part of New York City are you most excited to explore? Safe travels, and we can't wait to see you on our next journey.